Alright, TNT here. So I did it again. I don't know, man. I gotta have some sort of addiction or something because I just can't help myself. I see a bike for sale for a good deal and I just have to buy it. So here it is. It is 1978 RM100. This is a great restoration project for someone. I've already checked the motor over as far as compression goes and it's fine. Pretty much all the parts are here. I'm not sure if the plastic is the correct plastic for this bike, but the main parts of the bike are all there and they're what appears to be all original. The carburetor looks fairly new. It looks like somebody purchased a new carburetor for it, so that's great. That'll be very helpful. I am missing the proper boot for the air cleaner, which will have to be replaced. I'm pretty sure I'll be able to find something like that. The tank has a slash in the side of it here, so it looks like somebody put some tape on it. I'm not sure what they were thinking there. These tanks are pretty expensive, so I won't be replacing that. Hopefully it's not leaking any fuel. But this is basically going to be a get it running and turn it around and sell it to somebody else that wants to restore it. Alright, so here's the box of parts I got with the bike. So I take it this is for the air filter in that bike. And that there is for the air filter. We've got the shifter there, splines. They actually look not too bad in there. Okay, we've got the clutch cover, clutch discs, got the drain plug, got the kick starter, got the clutch. Gosh, those are some interesting springs. I wonder how that system works. Never seen anything like that before. Huh. Oh yeah, this is going to be a piece of cake. Time to get at her. Alright, so that's it. The RM100 runs. Fought with it for quite a while there, kicking it over, and it just kept flooding and couldn't figure it out. And then I thought, well, you know what, this is a brand new carburetor in here. Why don't I just have a look at the needle height and see what's going on. So when I took it apart, the clip was on the very bottom notch of the needle, which is not right. I don't know why it was like that. I doubt that it came like that from the factory. Maybe somebody did that not knowing what they were doing. They went to the bottom instead of the top. So I moved the clip up too. I had it fire over first kick, and then it still was flooding, so I put it up all the way to the top, and the bike fires up first kick now. So that's good. I haven't done anything with the transmission. There's no oil or anything in it right now, so I didn't want to run it for too long. It needs a clutch cover gasket, so I'm going to have to order one of those, or I'm just going to put it up for sale. I'm not going to restore this bike. This was just purely a resale investment because the parts are so valuable. So if somebody wants to take the whole bike for a reasonable price, then the whole bike will go all in one. If not, then I'll just part the bike out, and I should be able to quite easily make enough money to be able to go out and buy the SLR camera that I want for my future YouTube videos. So I'd like to thank everybody for watching. Please comment, share, subscribe if you're not already a subscriber, and I will catch you next video.